Hey, hi, welcome to Tech with Somesh, and it's 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. of 31st August 2025, and today we shall be learning about that of Alembic. Fine, yeah. Let me share up my screen so my screen will be visible. Yeah, great. Let me first read it and I shall explain you. So, what is Alembic? Alembic is a powerful tool. What is it? It's a powerful tool. It's a powerful migration tool, not just tool. It's a powerful migration tool that allows us to modify our database schemas. So you have two schemas created, that is user schema and the to-do schema, right? Yes or no? Yes. Now, if you want to make some changes in the sense, some powerful migrations to changes, right? Let me say you want to add a column. Already we have users and to-dos table. There is data in users and to-dos table. Now you want to add some other table, other column. How do you do that? That is with the help of that of Alembic. How do you do that? That is with the help of Alembic. Fine. Yes or no? Yes. Great. See, what we do in actually our product base, if you are creating a product, you shall have very small MVP, right? Yes, where there are less tables, less columns, and some 10, 100 user comes up over there and they log in, then their login data is created, then they make use of your app, then whatever the app uses, they are doing, those things are kept in the DB, right? Yes. Now, eventually, when it is 1 2 months old and users start complaining that I want this feature, that feature, then you bring in different tables, different columns, right? S in the same table. In the users table, you might enter phone number, you might enter created at, submitted at, generated at, all these things, new columns, right? Yes. So you need not to delete the whole database, you just want that column to be added. So if you want just that column to be added, you make use of that of Alembic. What do you make use of? Alembic. What do you make use of? Alembic. It is a powerful powerful migration tool that allows us to modify our database schemas. It is a powerful migration tool that allows us to modify our database schemas. You get that? It is a powerful migration tool that allows us to modify our database schemas. Fine? Yes. As our application grows, evolves, our database also needs to evolve as well. Fine? Yes or no? Yeah. Yep, yeah. So one of the example that we shall take is on that of our users model. Fine. Yeah. In here we shall be adding a new column and checking that how that new column would be added and how it would act. Fine. Yeah. Great. Great. Let's go further. Right. Yeah. Then let's see Alembic introduction, how we set it up, uh, revision on that, then we upgrade it, downgrade it, then Alembic solution, assignment, fine, yeah. That would be a great intro. That was a great learning. This is a great learning. You get it, but yeah, you need to have faith, 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 faith. That is the most beautiful thing that you can have. You need to have faith in yourself. I repeat, you need to have faith in yourself to do anything and everything. This AI comes in and then my job is gone. No, no, don't think like that. Just be more productive and just be more faster with the understanding. Right? Yeah, right? Yes. Be better. Be better. Be better. Fine. Yeah. Be better. That is the most important thing that you can do. Being better. Right? Yeah. Great. Let's go further. Fine. Yeah. Let's learn more about Alembic. Fine. Yeah. So when using this SQL Alchemy is object relational model. Fine. Yeah. Object relational model. When using this SQL Alchemy, you make use of this lightweight database migration tool for using SQL Alchemy. So Alembic is a lightweight data migration tool for when using SQL Alchemy. Fine. Are you getting that? Are you getting that? Yes. We need to install Alembic into our project. Okay. How do we install Alembic into our project? Let's see that. Pip install Alembic. Fine. Asana here. What do we do? We say pip install Alembic. What do we do? Pip install Alembic. Fine. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Pip install Alembic. Fine. Yeah. What do you do? Pip install Alembic. Just simple pip. Fine. Yeah. So there are some Alembic commands. Okay, which we shall be making use of. Great. Yeah. Alembic in it. So let me write down so that you might remember it and execute it proper way. Right. Yeah. That might help. Right. Yeah. uh, I can make use of Excel draw, to make it more better, which is open source. So it's not that open source, but yeah, it is open source to the level we want to make use of it. Oh, it's asking for $7 per month. Oh, I don't have that much. I'm a poor fellow. Sorry for that. I can't. I have to just sign out. How can I type text? Yeah. So when we come across, we have some things to be there. That is LMB commands, and let me have over here as details. Fine. Yeah. Let us see what are those commands. Right here. So we have Alembic init. Okay, where we mention folder name. So what will this allow us to do? It will allow us to initialize initializes a new generic environment. Fine, yeah. So it's very important. What I can do over here is I can have two things over here, right? It allows us to one classic. Oh, great. Let us not do this. I'm actually tired of this whole thing. Okay, I don't have this much time to put down. LMB commands, and then we have the details. Fine, yeah. Then we have Alembic init. In that we have folder name. Fine, yeah. Uh, Initializes a new generic environment. Okay, yeah. The next command that we are going to have is Alembic revision dash m message. Okay. What would this do? This would create a new revision of the environment. So first thing, Alembic init folder name, that would initialize a new generic environment. So environment creation first. Then Alembic revision dash m message. This would create a new revision of the environment. New revision of the environment. Okay, great. run our upgrade migration to our database. Okay, so this Alembic upgrade revision, what is that going to do? That is going to run our upgrade migration to our database. Okay, run our upgrade migration to our database. That's fine. Run our downgrade migration to our database. Fine, yes or no? Yes. You get that. You get that. Yeah. Yep. 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 You get that. Yeah. So first one, Alembic init folder name we shall specify initializes a new generic environment. Alembic revision dash m message create creates a new revision of the environment creates the new revision of the environment. Okay, fine. Asana, yes. Creates a new revision of the environment. Alembic upgrade. Run our upgrade migration to our database. Don't let others to just hit into your mind. Come on, focus. Alembic upgrade revision ID that is being specified over here. Run our upgrade migration to our database. Run our upgrade migration to our database. Run our upgrade migration to our database. Okay. Alembic downgrade -1. Run our downgrade migration to our database, run our downgrade migration, upgrade revision ID, and Alembic downgrade -1, run our downgrade migration to our database. Fine, yes or no? Yeah, that's great. Now, how does this Alembic work? Okay, after you initialize our project with Alembic, two new items will appear in our directory. So, two new things would appear in our directory. What are those two new things? Let's understand. So two things which we are mentioning over here would be alembic.ini and the second thing would be alembic directory. So just learn it. So whenever you make use of that of initialize, that is we initialize alembic init, two new items will appear in our directory. Two new items will appear in our directory. So that is alembic.ini and alembic directory. Okay, alembic.ini and alembic directory. Fine, yes or no? Yeah. And these two, okay, these are created automatically by alembic, so we can upgrade, downgrade, and keep data integrity of your our application. So these two files play a vital role. Which two files? Alembic.ini and alembic directory. Fine, yes. These are created automatically. After you initialize, they are created automatically. And how do they help? They help us in upgrading or downgrading and keep the data integrity of our application. Now let's understand alembic.ini file. Fine, yeah. So alembic.ini file, this file that alembic looks for when invoked. So when you invoke alembic, it will look for alembic.ini file. What it will look for? It will look for alembic.ini file. And what does it have? It contains a bunch of configuration information for alembic. So it will have this alembic.ini. What does it contain? We have file alembic.ini, alembic directory. Alembic.ini contains configuration, some important configuration information for alembic that we are able to change to match our project. So this configuration is editable, right? This configuration is editable, and we can make it support to our application. We can make changes according to our application needs. Fine, yeah, that is what it is saying. And on the other hand, we have alembic directory, right? So it does have all the environment properties for alembic, all the environment properties for alembic. That's fine. All the configuration is present in alembic.ini, and uh, it is editable in the in a sense that it can be uh, matched to the our project, our application configuration. Fine, yes, what our application requires, specific configurations can be made in this alembic.ini, right? As on yes. Then we have alembic directory, right? Yes, has all environment properties for alembic. Alembic directory has all environment properties for alembic. That's fine. It does hold all revisions of our application, all revisions in the sense, you create a new column, that is one revision. You then delete this column, that is another revision. You create three more columns, that is another revision. So this alembic directory holds all the revision of your application. Fine, yes, it does hold all the revisions of our application. And this is where we can call the migrations for updating in the element directory. And this is where we upgrade and downgrade the migrations. Fine, yeah. So we did learn a lot, right? Yes. When we initialize the alembic, we get two files, alembic.ini and the alembic directory. Alembic.ini is specifically focused on what part? The configuration part, right? Yes or no? Yes, the configuration part. And this configuration is editable. It can be manipulated in the sense that it does match, it does support our current application, right? Yes or no? Yes, that is what it is, right? Yeah. Then after this, what do you have? Come on, tell me. We have this. What is it? Come on, tell me, tell me. Right? Yeah, tell me more. So alembic directory, how does it help alembic directory? You make revisions, those are saved into the alembic directory, right? So it does have all the environment properties in it. Migration, downgrading, upgrading, all does take place in this directory. Fine, right? Yeah, it was great. Yep. Yeah, great learning. Now we shall learn about how we install and set up the alembic. Fine, yeah. We know what is alembic. It is a powerful data migration tool, right? Yeah, and that is based upon SQLAlchemy, that helps us to make revisions into our database by upgrading and downgrading. Fine, yeah, migrations. Also, without having to change or delete the database, this is how it does help us. Okay, let's come into this. Where are we? Models. That's fine. We are in the role. Phone number equals to, oh sorry, phone number, and it is what it is, int, right? Yeah. No, it is string. We'll take it as string equals to mapped column being a string, right? Yeah. What is the problem over here? Okay, I didn't make use of mapped, right? Yeah. Yep. Now let's just shut down our server and let me once again run back my server. Uvcon main is to app dash dash reload. Fine. Yes. So that is how I run my server back. Great, great, great. What next then? It's becoming heavy. Heavy when it becomes heavy, when I'm actually learning something great, it becomes heavy for me to learn. Whoa, great! How cool that I have seen the first human being which is losing its patience to learn something, to make some small difference. Because when I learn Alembic, I leave some hundreds of people behind me. You get that? You get that? Hundreds of fishes behind me. So it's very important that I get into this and learn it to the best level I can. Right? Yeah, yeah. I get that. I learn it to the best level I can. Right? Yeah. Cool, 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 cool. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and just try building it yourself. Try building it up. Try building it up. Yeah. Yep. Just be yourself. Come on. Just be yourself. You can do it. Just I want to take some 5-10 minutes break. I take some 5 minutes break. Yeah, that is all that.